Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today, I'm going to show you a movement called the Wild Goose Flies in the air. If you find yourself staring at your computer too long or overthinking and straining your eyes, that's when you know your brain needs a little break. This movement will help clear that mental strain, and it's also great for getting the energy to flow throughout the nervous system. It's also excellent for balance, so if you're experiencing any symptoms of vertigo, this will help give you a sense of stability. So come on, all you overthinkers out there, try this with me. I love this movement because it reminds me of the ballet classes I used to take when I was a kid. So we're going to be flying in the air like a ballerina, feet about shoulder width apart. You can make it a little wider if you want to go into a deeper bend when you come down. So we're going to be coming up on the toes, backs of the hands facing towards each other, but not quite touching. And then as you exhale, coming down, bending the knees. Inhale, rising up, floating up in the air, flying like a wild goose. Exhaling, coming down. Inhale, rising up. And if you find your balance a little teetering, then you may want to practice this. It's really good to test your balance. Also, when you come down, soften in the groin. Don't lean back too much or lean forward. Nice and straight in the center. Inhaling up, exhaling, coming down. One more time, and coming down, and close. How'd you like this video? I'd love to hear how you did. If you liked it, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I would be so grateful if you shared it with your friends. Thank you, and see you soon.